Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in the hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, hosted by Tree at Craft On and Kathy's Creative Crafts. I will have both of their channels linked down below. This is the die that I'm using this week. This is a cotton candy die that I picked up from AliExpress. My friend Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic, I will also have her channel linked down below. She sent me a picture of this when she ordered it and knew that this is a die that I want to have in my stash. It's a great size. The cotton candy is about 3.5 inches, and then you have the cotton candy stick. This is the card that I created. For my first die cut, I used some fun foam as well as some glitter cardstock, and here is the little cotton candy stick. I stamped this Sweet Birthday Wishes out on my scan and cut and had it cut it out for me. I added some tickets from my stash as well as some little roses, a star, and I had these little clay bits in my stash. That is my first die cut. My next one, I used some fun papers, fun cotton candy colors. I also have this backed with some sticker fun foam. This one I decided to use some fluff material. I did back this on some heavier duty cardstock so that it would not bend when I glued this down. I think it came out so super cute. And the last one that I made is this pink one. This one is my favorite. It just came out so cute. I also backed this one with some heavy duty cardstock so that it wouldn't bend when I glued my fluff down. And this is the kind of fluff that I use. It comes out at Easter time. It's used to stuff Easter baskets with. Those are my projects for hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, hosted by Tree at Craft On at Kathy's Creative Crafts. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.